Grabe, is it just me? Or is the sun personally angry at us today?
It's not just you. I saw the heat index earlier, 46 degrees. Philippines is real.
We joke about it to cope, right? Class suspensions, sweating through our uniforms. But guys, let's be real for a second.
This heat, the typhoons that cancel our classes for weeks. This isn't normal weather anymore. This is the climate crisis.
So welcome back to the channel. I'm Yuan.
And I'm Jason. And today for our SDS Advocacy Drive, we are talking about the elephant in the room, climate change.
We learned in science, technology, and society that our country is one of the most vulnerable places on Earth. We contribute less than 1% of the world's carbon emissions. And yet, tayo ang sumasalo to the strongest storms and hottest droughts. It's unfair. And then honestly, it's scary. And because the problem is so huge, involving governments and big corporations, we, as ordinary students, usually ask ourselves one question.
Ano naman ang magagawa ko? Right, I'm just a student. I have a student budget and I have deadlines. I can't exactly fly to the UN and give a speech. But here's the twist. That mindset is actually part of the problem. We think we are powerless, so we do nothing. Today we want to share an idea inspired by TED that the ordinary Filipino student is actually a sleeping giant. We have a three-step plan. Things you can do today. No budget needed. And it is the three C's. Let's break down the three C's. First C, conscious consumption. Guys, look at your trash bins. Plastics, straws, sachets. We love convenience. But imagine if every student watching this video refused just one plastic straw a day. That's thousands of pieces of plastic kept out of our oceans in a year. Bring a tumbler. Bring an eco bag. It's a small hassle for you, but a huge break for the planet.
Second C, conserving energy. We are the digital generation. We are always charging something. But vampire power is real. Even if your phone isn't plugged, if the charger is in the wall, it eats energy. And if you're the last one leaving the room, flick the switch. Don't wait for the janitor. Be the one to do it. Our power grids are still burning coal. And every watt you save counts.
And finally, the third C. And this is where you watching on YouTube come in. Communication. We spend hours scrolling on TikTok and FB. Instead of just doom scrolling, use your platform. Share this video. Share facts. Call out brands that are wasteful. Support local businesses that are eco-friendly. Influence is not just for celebrities. You can influence your tropa. To care, you started a movement.
We're not saying you have to be perfect. We're not saying you can never drink milk tea again.
We're just asking you to be aware. Because the biggest lie we tell ourselves is that someone else will save the planet.
It starts with the student in the mirror. It starts with us.
So challenge for this week, do one of the three C's. Comment down below which one you're committing to. Consumption, energy, or communication.
Let's show them that Filipino student is part of the solution.
I'm Jason,
And I'm Yuan.
and this is our future. Let's protect it.